king. Iceland, Faroe Islands, subdivided in the entire Greenland. Don't know why I live in Greenland, but it's my job, bruh. Okay, let's go to Ireland here. With your placement up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. 14. And right by 1, 2, and 2. And place one block. Okay, let's make the islands. Go right here. On this block right here. Up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Up by 1, up right by 1, up by 2, up right, up left by 1, up left, down, and down left by 1, down by 1, right by 1. That is red. Okay, with your replacement block or water bucket, go right here and right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Place 2 blocks. 3. No one saw that. No one saw that. No one saw that. Okay. Down left by 1, left by 1, 2, 3. Down left by 1, down by left by 2, down left by 1, down by down left by 2, down left by 1, left by 1, down left by 1, left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Up left, up left by 1, left by 2, up right by 1, right by 1, up right by up, up by 2, our left and right by 1. The right side, the right one. These are progress yet. Go right here. Up left by 1, left by 2, and in the same block, up by 1 and right by 2. Up by 2, left by 1, 2, 3, 4. And in the same block, go up right by 2, up right by 2, uh, down right by 1. So that will be a looking pyramid like this, but the center will be blue. Okay, okay, we're clicking up left and up right by 1, right by 2, down right by 1, down down left by 1, down by 1. So with blue concrete, go same block and left by 1 till that in with. Okay, let's go here. Up right by 1, right by 2, up right by 1, right by 1, up right by 1, up left by 1, left by 1, 1, 2, 3. Wait, we're close. Up right, left by 1, left by 1, up left by 1, up left by 1. This is not up, this left. Down by 1, left by 1, 2, and down, sorry, down right by 1. Go to the T right here. Not the one you place, not because we're close. Up, down right by 1, down up, right, right, just right, right, up right by 2, right by 1, up by 2, down, down right by down right, down, down right by upright by two, upright by down right by two, up by two, and left right by one, two, three, four, five, up by one, and right by go right here, left right here, four. Go to this, the down of the T, and, and do this. Go right here and right by one, two, three, four with white concrete. This white concrete, yeah, and down. Go right here and left by one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, and down. Go right here and down by two, and left until right until you hit the concrete. Fill the inside of the cross of red with red concrete. Sure to fill everything. Do that real quick. Bro, what the? And the outside with blue concrete. Finish it real quick. There's your nigga. By the way, Minecraft isn't racist. This is why. When you play skeleton and the withered skeleton, the wolf will go to the withered skeleton because much more stronger and much more taller. Okay, bring out your water bucket and fill the entire stuff with this. Now follow me and you see. Follow. You will see. Ito. So remove all the light blue concrete. The video na after. Okay. So you get your replacement block. Go to the here, right here, and up by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7, 8, 9. Up by 2. Okay. Ano real quick. So this may be the longest tutorial. If I feel it using this video, or will not. I'm sure I will not feel this using the video. I'll just post it. I'm feeling entire. Okay. Okay. Up right. Up the up up left by 3. Up by 1. The down 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 right right by 1. Up up right by 2. Left by 1, 2, 3. Three. And down. Right by 1. Up up right by 1. Up left by 2. Down by 1. Up up left by 1. Left by 1, 2. And down and down by 2 and 3. The same block that we stop, go left by 2. Up up right by 1. Left by up left by 1. Go to the same block, go to the here, and in the second block that we placed that earlier, and left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Down left by 1, and skip a block and go right by 1. Down left by 1, left by 1, 2, and do this. Fill it with white concrete, and this the 1 cup. There's 1 concrete. 1 concrete. Okay. We'll just follow the teams. So I think before this the blind people because they cannot do this. So wait. if I say pattern, so you will do the same things that I do.
Yung pero nga muna sa dalisan siya ko.
Do this, do this pattern, do
Di ba 22 na ngayon?
this pattern, do this pattern,
Di ba 22 na ngayon?
It's go right here, go do this pattern. Start saying, bro, and that. And show it. Why complete? Do this, and this. Fill this with white concrete. And right here, right by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Go right here. Do this. Do this pattern.
Big.
Make this. Try pattern. Do this pattern. And left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Go to the first block of the 5 or 6. On this block right here, do this, and this. Do this, and make this to. Oh, wait, guys. Then delete something from my gallery. I'm not using a tutorial. Hindi ako gumagamit ng tutorial. Okay, we're good. We're back. We're back on Minecraft. And things I needed to was just to remove other tutorials this video. Turn this here. There. Be smart, not dumb. Kulus kasi hindi.
Tapon?
Hindi. Wala. Not bad. Alright. Take this. We do this. This 1, 2, 3, 4 blocks on. Right here, do this. Now 4 low and another that will be a 4 up by row right here. By 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And right, do this and like that. Do this, and do 3 and 3. So 7. Do this, them, do that, and do this. Do this, and do this, and then we're at the northern. Okay. Not gonna lie, Reynald is gonna big. If I do this in 100, it will take me years, bro, for them to do this, and 4. By this, and then, right, left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do Do this and left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this, 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 this. Okay, we're cooking. The drone is trying to disappear. Go right here and left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do this and left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Do and 3. Go right here and do this. Here. And do this. And go right here and well, this step until you get right here and place it. Do this. Go block one this, right? Go right this. And left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. And do and do that. Just line up and place one block. No. This damn blue. These are not yet. It's not done. After this, it will be done. Bam. Go right here. And left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, and in back. Do this. This 15 blocks slow, by the way. Do this and left by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Do. With your white block, go like this. Same block. Yes. Alright, by 1, 2, 3, 4, 4, and down by 1. Continue here. Go this. North, here I come. This the northern part of Greenland. This part. This the northern most north. Do this. This is 1, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do this and beam. And it will connect right there. Right here, do this. This 5 blocks away. Make them close. Go to the same block that we placed earlier. The first statement of this. And right by and left by 4. Don't think I said wait. How is this possible? Wait. I know why Iceland is called Iceland when there's no ice. When Greenland was called Greenland, but there's no green. I know. Some Vikings, Vikings, right? Came to Iceland and they saw ice, so they called it Iceland. Because adventurers, when they see something new, they will call it Iceland. So, when one Viking was kicked out, he come right here and he called it Greenland for much more adventurers to go to make it popular. And it became popular for its name. Yeah, Miraculous, simply the best. Oh, always so bad. Oh, it's rising. So this and what is going so this is this by vitamin. That coding for this more then up and 4. Ah! Right! Ah! Bilang ko bakit binangalan ng Iceland. At pero wala naman, kundi naman ice. Ito, dati, nung pinakadating century, mga Vikings na Gapon, may nakita silang ice at may nakita silang land. Then sama nila at naging Iceland kaya di normal adventurer ng pagkikita nila. Yung isang Viking, kinik out sa Iceland kasi may ginawa daw siyang crime. Pumunta siya sa Greenland at ginawa niya pinangalan yun niya Greenland para magkaiba. At much more, ang mga adventurers punta doon. Ito mo, may notice pala ako. Di ba no penguins at polar bear enemies? Pero sineparate ng South Pole at North Pole. This, and this. Flow. And this. Not to do it 4 times. This, and this, and this. And this the southern point of Greenland. And goes to the for you. Exploration instructions. And then back for this. For this, to this, and then this, to practice. Here, if I explore my country, if we want to see if we Ang ginagawa nyo? Grabe naman. Do this. The way. Use this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, Finish the bread. Start publishing our opinion. Then more first response. Okay. Okay. Yes. Okay. Yeah. Doing this is a part of Canada. And why I did this? But we will make that go to another that this course go here. Like concrete. This one, you see it? Like concrete. That's not of me. I make oils that go right here and fill with the concrete. Like the seven, like the like upright and like the two up upward turn, right by two, and upward turn, right by one, two, three, four, five, six, seven, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14. right by 1, right by 2, down right by 1, right by 2, down right by 1, right by 1, down right by 2, oh, right by 1, down by 6, to 7, down right by 7, down by 1, down right by 1, and right by 2, down by 2, down right by 1, down by 2, down right by 1, and circle will be the upper part will be controlled by a red currency here in the circle, and the down and on the circle and south, and this is damage in this pattern. And this 3, and this is one, and 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and this, this, this. It is the northern part, L4, do the, do this, do this pin, tap, tap, wait, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, do this, skip this, and no, that's right, 4, 3, 4, do this, mark that, and do this, draw, and mark until this, and the, no, he should be that, that, do this, and back up, for later. Oh yeah. Do this, and that diagonally to this, and the continue of this. Right here, and this, yes. And that's by 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Do this, and then this by 4. With this and 3. That angle is say 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Do this left or right by 1, 2, 3, 4. And right in the okay. Okay. Okay.